Hello everybody, this is Russ from Bednar's, and today I want to speak about hanging baskets. So we grow hanging baskets in a bunch of different sizes and shapes. We do 10 inch, 12 inch, 16 inch, and different shapes in the respect of cones, moss baskets, wicker baskets. So what we're going to talk about today is the different tips and tricks to keep your hanging baskets last all season. So the first thing I want to talk about is the sun requirements. So full sun is considered at least 5 hours of afternoon sun. So when you're looking at your different places of where you're going to hang your basket, please take that into consideration of how much sun that's going to get. If it's just morning sun, that is considered a part shade basket or a shade basket. And those are designated in our greenhouses by the different colors tags that hanging on the hooks of the basket. So the blue tag is for just morning sun or shade, and then the yellow tags are for sun. The second tip I want to talk about is watering. So this is a tricky one. You can kill your basket with kindness with too much water, or also with not enough. So the proper way to see if your basket needs water or not is either the lift test to see how heavy it is, or to actually stick your finger into the soil of the basket and see how moist that soil actually is. The proper way to know how much water that your basket is getting is to, when you water, is it actually dripping out the bottom. So a little bit of drip out the bottom is the perfect amount of water. If you have a sunny day or a shady day is also going to affect what or how much water you're going to have to give your basket. So if it's a super sunny 80-degree day out, it's probably going to need watered every day. If it's a cloudy day or a few cloudy days in a row, you're probably not going to have to water your basket, but feeling the soil or lifting that basket is going to really tell you if it needs water or not. Some plants are more forgiving than others. Some like to wilt and they will bounce back. Some do not like to dry out at all. And some like to dry out between watering. So checking the weight to the basket when you're watering is key. Another thing to consider is the size of the basket. So if the smaller the basket, the more water you're gonna actually have to give it. So the hanging baskets we have here are the 10-inch size baskets. This is a very common basket that we sell. Tons of flower power. This is a Calibrachoa petunia. We also have a mixed 10-inch ivy geranium and heliochrysum, and then sun patient and Calibrachoa with some portulaca in it actually. So 10-inch basket. They use all these three that we just spoke about are all for sun, hence the yellow tag. And we're gonna move over to here and we're gonna talk about these moss baskets. So this is a 16-inch moss basket. Again, great for sun. This has geraniums, lantana, Calibrachoa, some vinca vine. These larger baskets are nice, and with the moss, they actually retain water a little longer. And they also have a larger variety of mixed plants in them. So you have a lot more flower power in the bigger baskets as you move up through the sizes. We're gonna move over to here and talk about these 12-inch baskets. This is the most popular basket. This is one of the things that we're most known for, is the different combinations and things that we do in these baskets. This is a pretty cool, this is actually a new petunia this year. The variegated petunia with some verbena, some Lismachia. But again, noticing the yellow tags for the sun, blue tags are for shade, and great to last all season long. Another tip to keep your hanging basket going all summer long is deadheading and fertilizing. So fertilizing is key, especially once you hit about midsummer and on, because that plant is actually using all of the nutrients out of that soil. So now you have to supplement it. So we sell Jack's fertilizer, which we grow all of our flowers with. So that's what we promote. It's 1 teaspoon per gallon of water and do it once a week. The deadheading portion of things is depending on what type of basket that you select. is to just get in there and make sure you're removing all of the spent flowers. So anything that is brown or anything that gets long and leggy, you can always trim back with a pair of scissors. The last topic I want to mention is pest and disease. So if you notice anything going wrong with your basket, if it doesn't look well, or if the leaves start to curl, for an example, you can always contact us. You can contact us via phone or send us some pictures through our mobile app, and we can help you problem solve any issues. One thing in particular that you might come across is the pest. It's called an aphid. It's a little green bug, and it will eat your basket, and you will start to see like a waxy film on it. And that is one thing that we can solve quickly with a Jack's Dead Bug Brew, which is an organic option that will clean that up for you. So please let us know if you have any issues or problems throughout the season with your hanging basket, and hope to see you in the store soon.